Hey, what's up everybody and welcome to 5 Minute DIY, where we show you how to do DIY and craft projects in 5 minutes or less. I'm Marty and today I'm going to show you how to make this. Today we're going to be attempting to make a rose bear. Now this is going to be pretty quick. We're going to run right through it, so without any further ado, let's hop into this thing. Okay, so here's what you need. 3 8.5 ounce styrofoam cups and 2 16-ounce styrofoam cups. 5-inch ball, 8-inch ball, a glue gun and glue sticks, duct tape, scissors, something to write with, some cardboard, and a bag of artificial roses. Okay, first you want to take your 5-inch ball and your 8-inch ball and you want to wrap them in your duct tape. You should have something that looks like this. Next you want to take your cardboard and your 8-ounce cup and you want to trace a circle onto it. Next you want to take your 5-inch ball and you want to kind of find the sweet spot and trace around the ball, and this will make your ear. Next you want to cut your shape out. You should have something that looks like this. It should fit flush with your ball. If not, you can always trim the excess off. Next you want to take that shape and trace it 5 more times on your cardboard and then cut it out. Alright, once you have your shapes, you want to stack them and you want to glue them together. 3 shapes for each ear. Next you want to set them aside to dry. Next you want to grab your balls. You want to grab your 5-inch ball and you want to glue it to the top of your 8-inch ball. I'm having trouble holding these balls here. I'm going to hold this until it dries. You know what? To add another layer of security, I'm going to duct tape this ball to the top of this other ball, just so no heads are rolled. Once it's taped together, you should have something that looks like this. That glue wasn't really working, but duct tape always does the trick. Next, you want to grab your frame and you want to glue your ears to the top. Next, you want to take 2 of your 8-ounce cups and you want to cut a circle right in the side of your cup. This will act as your arms. I already pre-cut a cup, so your shape should look something like this. Next, you want to grab your 16-ounce cup and you also want to cut a circle right in the side of your cup. Now what we want to do is we want to cut the excess off right here. These will act as your legs. Next, you want to grab your final 8-ounce cup and you want to cut right here towards the bottom, and this will act as your bear's muzzle or snout or whatever. But just cut this right here. I already pre-cut one and it should look like this. Now it's time to glue all of that on. I'm going to start with the muzzle. You want to find the middle of your bear and you just want to glue it right there in the middle. Next you want to take your 8-ounce cup and you want to glue it to your frame like so, like this. You should have something that looks like this. Next you want to take your 16-ounce cuts that you cut and you want to glue them to the bottom of your bear. These will be the legs. Your final frame should look like this. Finally, you can add more duct tape around the legs and arms just to give it a little bit more, stability. Now, once everything is done, you can then take your roses and you can glue them all over the bear frame. And voila, you got your very own rose bear. Now look at that, I think we did a good job, didn't we? Y'all been looking pretty good, huh? Yeah, I like it. You like it? We did a good job. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Alright, whoa. You weren't supposed to go down that far. Alright, wait. Okay, alright, okay. So, here's the reason why my rose bed don't have any pants on. I didn't buy enough of these roses. Like, in hindsight, you're probably gonna need about 3 bags. I only bought 1 bag. They come about 100 in a bag. So, just buy 3 bags so your rose bed won't be, partially nude or whatever. But that's pretty much it. But if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And like that, this will be the end. Peace.